I am still having issues with the new version of the Universe software. I removed version 2.5 from the machine, shut down the computer, restarted the computer, installed the new version of version 2.5, the one from March 6th. When I started the Universe, the exposure time was set for 30 seconds, the same exposure I had it set for before I removed the prior version. So somehow the software is not being totally removed. Here's the next issue, the auto histogram. Again, you click on auto, it does not engage auto. You can unselect auto. You can go in and put in a manual amount, say 80. Maybe you can do 80. Okay. And then as you notice, the slider moved to the side. How about putting in a lower number, say 40? It moved to the side and it got brighter. Try another value, 20. Okay, brighter still. So manually the histogram does change functions. Go back to default, goes back to dark, click auto, nothing. It does not change. Here's another thing that I find disturbing. I tried to change the exposure. Click on change the exposure. Highlight over 10 milliseconds. Type in 30. Hit OK. Now it works. Before it would not. It would not revert to a different exposure time. Let me change the exposure. It would revert back to 10 milliseconds. Let me try 50. Okay, 50 milliseconds. Now it's in 50 milliseconds. It appears to be working. Again, the auto histogram does not adjust. Let me change the exposure. 10 milliseconds. Should get darker. It did. Change. 50. Should get brighter. So now the exposure is now working properly. However, the histogram, as you can see, click on histogram, auto, it doesn't change. Everything else appears to work. One button, white balance. I can manually change, get it redder, go back to one matte. That still works on the fly. I can do a flip on the fly. I can go to monochrome on the fly. I can crop area on the fly. Everything except histogram auto. That does not work on the fly.